How can I help you?
You called again,
Yes, I did.
okay?
Yes, I did.
And we told you,
I already went to the judge, and the
Okay.
judge. This is what the judge said to respond to Officer Kruger. The judge says, "This is the order. This is what the order says. It needs to be followed. She's not following it, right? Since I understand it is a civil case, right? But once there is a court order that is not being followed,
it's
there's a
still
different
civil.
procedure.
No.
No, it's not, because that is open to interpretation if the order is not clear. The order is clear. I need to pick up my kids on Friday. What day is it today? Friday. What time? 4. Right?
Okay.
If it's not there, it's a violation of a court order.
Which is
Civil
a civil
court
court order.
But that is only if it is open to interpretation. You're trying to interpret something that is
Civil-
not there.
No,
Right.
you are.
No. I already went to the judge, and the judge already said, follow the order. My
Who did you
wife
say
is
that
not
to?
my wife and to myself and
Okay.
to her attorney.
All right. And what
Okay.
did you say to do if you guys did not follow the order?
You will be held accountable.
Yes.
In court.
Did they say how?
You can face penalties,
Did they say what penalties?
criminal penalties.
I don't think they ever said criminal penalties.
Have you ever been before a judge?
Absolutely, several
Yeah?
times.
Okay, for this matter?
For a child custody, actually, I've
Yes or no?
testified in civil court.
No. Yourself.
I tell you what.
Yourself.
Again, if you refuse
No,
to
Officer
leave here,
Kruger.
we can certainly take care of it a different way. But the situation is this: this is a civil court order. The way that the Washington
Nope.
County Attorney's Office and Washington County court system handles civil orders is if there's a violation, you bring that civil order back to court.
I already
have
did.
it readdressed in front of a judge.
I already did, and the judge says, this is the order.
Yep.
Follow it.
And that's what they do 99% of the time. And if they don't follow it, you have to bring it back to court.
No.
Believe me, you are not the first person to come in and
Okay.
say this. We say you have to go through court because it's a civil order.
Right now, it is a violation of the court order. Okay?
You're not listening to anything we're saying.
Yeah.
No.
How about this? You saw your kids a week ago, right?
I saw my kids.
Okay.
The court order says I have
was
the right
that
to
at?
spend
Where was
time
that
with
at?
my kids
Where
at
did you
church.
At church.
Yes.
Was your ex-wife or separated wife there?
My wife was there.
Okay.
Yes.
We need to contact her and make sure there was no harassing or assaultive or any kind of behavior that was offensive in any nature that occurred there. So
Nice. You're
maybe
just
we
being
have to look
one-sided.
into possibly filing criminal
Nice.
charges
You're just
against
being
you.
too one-sided.
What's that?
You're just being one-sided because I have
No,
a plenty of witnesses.
I'm just trying to point out
Plenty
that
of
that is a criminal
witnesses.
nature. This is civil.
Plenty of witnesses that can attest, okay,
Mhm.
or what happened,
Perfect.
okay. So you
I
just
hope-
trying,
I
you
hope
just
you're
trying to
well
jam
behaved
me, Officer Kruger,
I hope you're well behaved in that.
okay. Right now, you're just not doing your job right,
Okay.
okay.
You know what
Listen.
you can do if you don't feel as though we're doing our job. Please feel free to file a complaint against us in this matter. But
What is that going to do?
you can't file a complaint currently.
What is that going to
My
do?
partner and I, and our partners who work tonight, are not going out to enforce a civil child custody order.
It was a civil.
A civil.
It was
It
a
is.
civil. No, it
It
was.
is. It is still a civil
No, it
order.
was.
And it doesn't change on its own to a criminal order or anything like that.
It does.
It is a civil order.
Once it's violated,
Oh,
and it has been clearly violated.
it's not. Have you
Okay.
read the order?
I've
Do you
read the
have a
order.
copy of the order?
Yes, I do.
Oh, do you? Let's see it. I want you to show me where it says it becomes a criminal penalty in that order if it is not followed. It might say you could be held in contempt of court, but this is not court. And a judge would have to find somebody to be in contempt of court.
All right, I have one. I have two. There you go.
Find it.
No, you read it.
No, I have read stuff like that.
You have read
I
stuff
want
like
you
that?
to point it out where it says that the police shall go out and take her into custody, arrest her, that kind of stuff, and not. I want you to show me where it's a criminal nature. Tell me where it specifically says in there that it's a criminal offense.
It is a criminal offense
where
according
does
to
it say
Minnesota
in there?
statute
Where does it say it in there? Does it say
609.26.
it in there?
Are you supposed to follow the law of the state? Yes or no?
Are you?
I am, and I'm doing it
You're
right
not.
now. I'm doing it right now. I came to the proper authorities.
Mm-hmm.
The proper
This
authorities.
is not the proper authorities for a civil order.
Once you break the law, who's the authority?
It's a civil order.
Once you break the law, who's the authority? No,
Do
answer.
you have a family attorney?
Answer. Once you break the law, who's the authority?
There are two different laws out there. There's
Once
civil-
you break the law, is the judge supposed to arrest me?
There's
Is
civil
the-
and there's criminal.
Is the DA
This is
supposed to
civil.
arrest me?
When are you going to understand that this is a civil issue?
Once you break the law, who's supposed to do that? Who's supposed to make sure we follow the law?
Criminal, us. This is civil.
It is
We
civil.
do not enforce civil.
You interpret something that the order says very specifically. Pick up the kids.
Does not
Listen,
specifically say.
listen.
It does.
You have 2 officers that have been doing this job for a combined over 40 years. This is nothing new to us. It is civil. There is nothing that is making this criminal.
If the court says something specific,
Okay, you're
and
not
if it's
listening
broken,
to anything we're saying. You're
No,
repeating
I'm just-
the same things
no, no, no,
over and
I'm
over.
just-
Listen, can I talk? Let me
I'm
talk.
just covering my
Okay,
bases
we're done. You
because
need to leave.
I'm just covering
must
my
leave.
bases.
You need to leave.
You must leave.
Okay, I will leave. I'm just covering my bases because I need the proof
That's
just
fine.
like you.
That's fine.
Okay,
Absolutely.
that you guys clearly are not doing your job right.
All right.
And
that's
clearly
it.
you're not doing what you need
Okay.
to do either. So,
I'm doing what I'm supposed to do.
okay.
Try
so
to
are we.
rely on
the
you.
courts.
Okay,
Have a nice day.
all
You
right.
need to leave.
Or what?
Could be arrested.
For what?
Trespassing on city property. You've become a public
Am I not a citizen of this
Become a public
city?
nuisance at this point. You are misusing police resources.
The police is closed. The police department is closed.
Right.
I'm
You-
just
you
parked
keep
here.
calling us.
I'm
All
just
of
parked
this-
here
Oh, but you know what? You're correct.
talking.
If you continue to call the police to receive the same answers we have provided you, that could be a misuse of emergency resources.
That I can give you that.
You understand that?
I understand that as long
So
as you do
sit
your
and
job.
Enjoy the parking lot as long
Okay.
as you want. Make sure you get parked within the lines, though.
Okay, as long as you do your job,
Make sure you park within the lines.
which you clearly 40 years
If you fail
has
to
done
leave-
nothing for
If
you.
fail to leave and
Okay.
continue to harass us,
All right,
then we'll have to take it steps further. All right?
who's harassing you for asking to do your job?
Park within